If you're planning to start a business in New Hampshire, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in New Hampshire even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose New Hampshire to form an LLC? Well, for one, you have asset protection and flexibility. You can enjoy personal asset protection combined with flexible management options, separating your business liabilities from your personal finances. And of course, you have a favorable business climate. New Hampshire boasts a business-friendly environment featuring no sales tax and a robust legal framework within the supportive for growth. Speaking of growth, of course, it's ideal for growth because it's a popular choice for small business and startups offering a strong foundation for innovation and scaling operations. After that is choosing a name for your New Hampshire LLC. Now, you want to make sure that your LLC name is unique and should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.L.C. Avoid prohibited terms like vulgar language or implying government affiliation like banks, trust, bureau without explicit permission. Now, if you have a desired business name, and you want to check the availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the New Hampshire Secretary of State Business Search and make sure your name isn't already taken. Now, if there is no matching results, your name is available and good to go. And if you are not ready to file it yet, you can reserve a name for at least 120 days for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is you need to choose a registered agent. Now, this could be a person or maybe a company that receives all the legal and state documents on behalf of your LLC. They must have a physical address in New Hampshire and should be available during normal business hours. If you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we suggest is to hire a professional formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation or LLC-1. You can do this two ways. Number one option is by mail, but what we suggest is by filing it online, which is going to be the fastest method. All I have to do is very simple. Go to the NH Quick Start portal for faster processing. Now, you need to provide the LLC name, registered agent details, principal business address, management type. Is it going to be like member manage or manager manage? And then there is a filing fee of $100. Once approved, congratulations, your LLC is officially registered in New Hampshire. New Hampshire doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but having one is highly recommended because an operating agreement explains ownership percentage, member roles, voting rights, and profit distribution, helping protect your LLC and avoid disputes. So think of it as your LLC's internal constitution, which is vital for long-term stability. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now that your New Hampshire LLC is up and running, it's important to stay compliant every year. Your annual report should be filed within the New Hampshire Secretary of State, and there is a filing fee of $100, and missing the deadline can lead to penalties or even admin dissolution. You can always submit your annual report online through the New Hampshire Quick Start system, which only takes a few minutes. And of course, beyond filing, make sure you keep accurate business records and renew any required licenses or permits to remain in good standing. Staying compliant every year protects your LLC and ensures your business can operate legally without interruptions. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including New Hampshire. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in New Hampshire, from choosing a compliant business name and registered agent to filing your certificate of formation and staying on top of state requirements with no sales tax or personal income tax, low filing fees, and simple compliance requirements. New Hampshire is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to start or formalize their business. For as long as you file accurately, meet annual report deadlines, and obtain any required licenses, your New Hampshire LLC can stay in good standing and set up for long-term success. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.